Hi, today we are going to try removing someone from a group in Snapchat. First, open your Snapchat app. Go to your messages, then click open a group. I have here 3 members from my group and we'll try removing this one here. Long press the name. Upon reviewing and researching for some information, however, I am sad to say that Snapchat removed a feature from their app on how to kick someone out from a group in Snapchat. Further research alternative ways for this case is to ask that certain someone to leave from the group, create a new group, or leave the group itself. We'll stay tuned and see new updates from Snapchat. And I hope that in the near future there will be a new feature that will be added in Snapchat on how we can kick someone from a group.